Hey guys, today I will share with you this flower. This can be used to decorate a gift. Sometimes we don't want to wrap a gift, so we can simply put this flower on top. We can also use it instead of a bow if we don't know how to tie a bow. So let's start. We will need a border ribbon, any color of your choice. Here I have light blue decent color. We will need 8 strips of it, 4 big and 4 small. Big one is of 24 centimeter and small one is of 20 centimeter. With the help of any craft glue or hot glue in, put some glue on one corner of the strip. I am holding big one stripped. First you will need to make the bowl like this of big ones, and then second one. And then again put some glue in the middle of the circle and form a bowl like this. You need all strips like this, small and big one. After doing this, you again need to hold the big one stripped. Any of them four, you can big one, and put some glue in the middle of the bow and form like this. First you will need to form a plus and then multiplication sign. Again put some glue and form a multiplication sign. One by one, all four. And the smaller one strips, same process like you have done with big ones. This process is very easy. You can do it in 1 minute. All four. And this is the last one. After doing this, you are almost done. Just you need one more strip, only one of 8 centimeter. Again you need to form a circle, but just you need to form a circle. So put some glue on one corner again, but just form a circle. Only circle. Adjust the flower where it is not attached perfectly. And now attach the circle on it. Now your flower is complete and you can decorate gift with it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and tell us in comment that do you like this video, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Thanks so much. Thank you so much.